As you go through the sign up with Coinbase, it's important when you get to the verification portion and it sends 2 charges to your card, some credit cards block that attempt. And if your attempt is blocked, you're going to be stopped for a full 24 hours before you can try again. So the thing to do is before you do the verification, and you'll see that as part of the video here, call your credit card company. Call the number on the back of the credit card and inform them that you're about to do a verification as you're setting up a Coinbase account. It's going to send 2 charges to your card and that you want them to be ready as those come through and not to block them. When you do that, you can keep them on the phone, click the verification button, the verification happens right away, and they can read you the 2 deposit amounts, and you can finish setting up your Coinbase with no blocking and no difficulty. Watch for that when you get to the verification part of your setup. This video is going to show you how to sign up for your Coinbase digital wallet, one of many free digital wallets you can get. The reason we're using Coinbase is because it's one of the only wallets that lets you take a credit card or a debit card and purchase Bitcoin. So let's get started. We go to Coinbase.com and we click Sign Up at the top of the page. And it asks for your first name. And throughout this process, you're going to see prompts. If you simply answer the information it's asking for, you'll find this is a very easy process. We're going to put in the name of the person we're setting up. First name, last name. We're going to put in the email. And next it's going to ask us to pick and create a password. You'll see as you type in a password that it shows here whether the password is strong or whether it is too weak. This one is weak. However, if I add a symbol like a star or a $sign or an exclamation point, you'll see that it increases the strength of the password. And you can also add a digit, and that helps increase it as well. Next, pick the state you're in, alert that you're not a robot, and certify that you are at least 18 years old, and then click Create an Account. Now it's going to send an activation to the email that you input to be sure that you are actually the person trying to create this account. So we'll pause while we go confirm that. You can see here our account has been created. We have our email from Coinbase. And this is what the email looks like. Verify your email address. Welcome to Coinbase. We've generated an account based on your email. You click here to set a password for the account. So even though we set a password, let's give it what it needs again and either choose the same password or create another one. And we click on Create My Wallet. It then says, please review our user agreement. As with anything you ever sign for, we strongly recommend that you read this. It's your rights and the rights of Coinbase. Once you've read all that, I'm sure you got that as we scrolled through it, you give your legal name and accept the terms. From this point, we select the state that we live in. As you click these buttons, it's real important that you give the system time to respond. Don't click the buttons 2 or 3 times, or you will have trouble with the installation. Give the system time to respond to the clicking of the button. Now you can see that we have a Coinbase account. So now our account has been created. Once our account has been created, the next thing we want to do, of course, is purchase. We recommend at least $50 worth of Bitcoin. Here's why. The price goes up and down in Bitcoin. It's a good idea to have extra, just in case it goes down and you're a few dollars short when it comes time to pay. All we do once our account has been created to purchase the Bitcoin is we go to Buy, Sell. Here in Buy, Sell, it says we need a payment method. Let's click to add a new payment method to our new wallet. And here with payment methods, we want to simply click Add a Payment Method, and we want to choose, so that it's fast and instant, we want to choose a credit and a debit card. So we're going to click the right arrow, and now we're going to add some information on the credit card. Once you've entered your card information, it's going to start a charge verification where it verifies that you are in fact in control of the card. It's going to send two payments, as it says, between $101 and $199 to the card. They're authorization charges that will not permanently post to your account. They should appear shortly. We find they appear very, very quickly, and all you do to initiate these two charges is click Start Charge Verification. We're clicking that. And now, as it said, we need to find those two charges. We do that by you do that by either going online and checking your bank statement, or simply call the 800 number on the back of your credit or debit card and ask them for the two charges. Tell them you're trying to verify a new account setup. You don't have to tell them what the account is or anything else. You're simply a customer asking for two recent charges of between $1 and $2, and you need those dollar amounts. If you're able to go online, I want to show you, these have shown up instantly. We happen to use a PayPal debit card in this example, and you'll see that right here we can see these two charges, $1.11 from Coinbase and $1.20 from Coinbase. So we go back to Coinbase to finish. We have $1.11 and $1.20, and we need to verify this charge. We enter the two decimals. We enter the two amounts. It's already got the dollar in there for us, so we enter $1.11 and $1.20, and we verify the charge numbers. It's now redirecting us back to our own Coinbase purchase window, and it's telling us that we need to verify a phone number. So let's verify, let's give it a phone number. It's already got our area code in. It's already got our country code in. We're going to give it the area code. It's already got our country code in, so we're giving it our phone number. They're now going to send a text message, once again for security. We've got to enter the text message. I see it. It's 0875772. 0875772. And it says, "Welcome, Annette. Let's get started." Now it's asking for a photo ID. Let's send it our driver's license. We can do that with a webcam picture, or we can do a file upload if we happen to have it scanned. We're going to do a file upload. We're going to drag and drop the pictures. Now, so we've chosen to upload a file, and this is what I would recommend if you don't have a camera connected to your computer. This is very simple. It's asking for a JPEG or a PNG. Those are types of photo files, and it wants us to drag and drop the front of the driver's license and the back of the driver's license. If you've got a scanner connected to your computer, very simply scan those to the front and back of your driver's license and send it. You might, however, not have a scanner. Listen, you can take a picture of the front and back of your driver's license with your cell phone and send yourself those pictures. They'll be saved as attachments in your email, and you can simply upload them that way. Get them into your computer, download them, and upload them. Getting a picture of your driver's license is very easy. Lots of ways to do it. We're going to go attach our pictures. Now, with a picture of the front and back of your driver's license, and then a photo of you to confirm that that's you on the driver's license, once your account is verified, we come over to Buy and Sell, and there will be a limit as to how much you can spend. It may start at $50 once you upload your ID, which is required anyway. You'll see that your weekly card limit rises. Here's the important thing. We need to purchase Bitcoin. We go to Buy Sell. We're under Buy. We see that it's got our bank card here. To do this with, we simply come here and enter the $50 amount USD. USD is United States currency, and it's going to purchase, see the arrows here, it's going to purchase the proper amount of Bitcoin. We don't have to worry about that. It's going to do it for us. We come down here and we click buy this Bitcoin instantly. It always defaults to $52 because there are fees involved in the things we do. So we simply click buy the Bitcoin instantly. It then comes with all of our information that we just told it we want, and it says confirm our transaction. We click confirm the buy, and our purchase was successful. Now we can click view our dashboard, and we can see that we just have $49.65 in Bitcoin. Well, we bought $52. There are fees involved every time we do something. Here's the important point. We now have the Bitcoin we need to do $35 for WhatsUp crowdfunding. What happens to the excess? Well, it stays in your wallet. This is your bank account.